Thanks for joining us for another ConvertKit quick tip. So today we're going to be talking about what's the best practices for your email footer so that people actually remember where they signed up for your email, how to do a custom unsubscribe, and so many more things that you can use ConvertKit for. The reason that we do this is so that people are not like, hey, who's this person emailing me that I signed up for? We want them to know exactly how they got on your list so that they're like, oh yeah, I got this amazing piece of content from you and I definitely want to see what else you have to say. So let's go look in the app of what this looks like. Once you're in your ConvertKit account, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your email templates. If you're not sure where that is, you're going to come up here to where your name is, click this drop down here, and you can see it says email templates. Once you click on that, you're going to get to this page here. If you're just starting out, you're not going to see a whole lot of templates here. So we're going to go to new email template. And you've got several choices here. You can pick one of these four, or if you know enough HTML, you can go ahead and create your HTML template here. So let's go ahead and pick the daily dispatch. Once you're here, you can scroll down to the bottom of this template and see that for this particular template, there's a nice footer already typed in here for you. But let's say that we want to tell somebody where they found you at. So we're going to go ahead, and I have one already pre-written here, and it says you're receiving this email because you subscribed at, and here's a great place to put your website, at an event or where I was featured. That means that if you were featured on a podcast or a blog, they know that that's someplace that they found you on. And I like to put made some changes, and then you can update your preferences and then just grab this link here. So you can just go like this, click here, and then you'll have that short code right there for you. Okay, so we added our link, and then we want to have our unsubscribe here right there. So we're actually just going to grab this because it's done for us already. And then you have your new one, and then just move your address down, and there you go. And then you can always center all of it if you'd like as well. Make it all nice and pretty. You can also add all kinds of things in here. So if you wanted to add that custom unsubscribe, you can create one of those and say something like, let's say you're in the middle of a launch. If you no longer want to receive emails about this course launch, or whatever your course, product, anything is called, you can unsubscribe here. And then that gives them the option of maybe they want to stay on your list, but they don't necessarily want to hear about a specific thing that you're selling. And this just makes it to where it gives you a cleaner list, and it makes it to where people are going to be opening things. And if they're one of those people that maybe isn't a good fit for that specific product, then they can self-select to take themselves off of it. Now that you have a good idea of what your footer in your email should look like, we would love to see what clever things you're coming up with for your business. So go ahead and put those in the comments below.